What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today's gonna be a pretty quick video. It's kind of just like a subscribe now kind of thing. I think I did this last year too. This coming weekend, I'm going to GLAMIS, Halloween. I've avoided all these President's Day. Actually, I think I've been to President's Day, maybe. But anyways, like Thanksgiving, New Year's, Halloween, I avoid them. I go to ride, you know, it's gonna be chaos. People literally die when they go to these massive events. Gotta be crazy careful. The dunes are destroyed. There's side-by-sides everywhere. I've avoided it this whole time I've been going to GLAMIS, about 3 years now or whatever. But this coming weekend I'm going. A bunch of friends are going. Everyone's pumped. The desert season's here. So anyway, the next video is gonna be GLAMIS Halloween. So definitely look out for that. If you're not subscribed, jump in. You can see what's going on. Pretty sweet Banshee. All my friends have pretty badass Banshees too. Today, I am gonna put some brand new hubs on the bike. We bought some Lone Star nice billet hubs. I'm gonna put those on, and that's probably gonna be pretty much it for this video. Quick video. Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate everybody watching. And then yeah, next week, going straight to GLAMIS. So I guess we'll just jump straight into the hubs right now. Let's do it, Al. There we go. Yes, dear. Some nooks in the garage, no problem. This one's gonna be the one that takes a little time. The back one's gonna be easy. Go! All right, so the back are pretty easy to install. Let's take off the cotter pin, big nut, switch out the old hubs. Look how nice these are. So like perfect. I recently got in here to switch out these spacers, and I put a bunch of anti-seize on the splines, on the splines, whatever, and the rear hub slid right off. I haven't been into these hubs in a few years, and I must not have I did not put anti-seize on these damn things, and they're both so stuck, they're not even budging at all. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe get some different oil. I've been jamming WD-40 in there. Maybe I need some sort of like penetrating oil or some heat. I don't know. But I'm pretty stuck on the front right now. Sucks.
I'm stuck with this.
It's stuck on there? Here, let me switch it. Oh, there you go. Try it now. It's pretty on there. Here, let me have it. Here's, hold the brake. And the quad. I can't record this. There we go. The other one was pretty loose. This one wasn't. I wish the front ones would come off like that. You can see I've been into these ones recently because I swapped, look at that beautiful silver anti-lock crap. I wish I would have done that in the front. Apparently I didn't. And those things are frozen. Might have to go get like a hub puller or something. You know, sometimes it looks like Alex does all the work in the goddamn videos. What were you doing just now? Like barely tapping it?
Yeah.
I was hitting that shit hard a while ago, and what'd you do?
I just stopped it like
I'm not gonna put this clip in the video. Never mind.
I was just like doing it like lightly, but consistent.
I'm gonna consistent your little ass, woman. Thank you, Al. Good job. Let me see that shit. It's not even rusty. Nothing on this bike's rusty. Yeah, it's just all hella dry, I guess.
Some oil, I guess.
Yeah, I gotta definitely lube it up this time. God damn it. Good job, woman. All right, guys, it is the next day. Yesterday I had to run across town and pick up some, I had to borrow an impact. The brake rotors, there's 4 Allens that hold on the brake rotors. Those things were not moving, man. Those things were so tight. So that kind of killed it yesterday. I actually did finish it yesterday, but I didn't record. Like most of the time on the channel, stuff never gets recorded. You can see the hubs are on all around, front and rear. Looks sweet. Pretty happy with it. Possibly in the future those might end up powder coated black or something, but maybe not. I actually like it. The bike has a few silver things on it now, so it looks all right. Anyway, that's the video. GLAMIS this weekend. I'll see you guys out there. Peace.